Meaning of gunsight.
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 Gunsight. A gunsight is a device used to assist in aiming firearms. It can be mounted on the weapon or used as a separate sighting system. The purpose of a gunsight is to align the shooter's eye with the firearm's barrel and ensure accuracy when firing. Traditional gunsights include iron sights, which use a front post or bead and a rear notch or aperture sight, while newer systems may use optical or electronic components. Regardless of the type, an effective gunsight is vital for accurate shooting and improved marksmanship.